I'm going to dismiss your case.
Judge,
Can
you want me
go.
to come down real quick with my phone? Or do you want to send him down here and I can
No,
tell him on
I'll
my
send
phone?
him down. Can you understand it all? No, you
Do you
can't,
want me
can
to
you?
run down real quick, Judge?
Yeah.
I'll come down.
Court opens fast. Appeal deadlines, bond math, and probation instructions all fly before anyone blinks. 90 days hangs overhead. Money's due tomorrow, and freedom depends on following rules exactly. This sounds polite, but every number matters. Miss one step, and consequences follow. Subscribe, like, and share for more dramatic courtroom
You
breakdowns.
have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. You have a bond here. It looks like, right, Heather, of 4,010%. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
We transferred one from another file, right?
Yes, that's where this bond came from.
So you have 360 to apply. Does he have the remaining 230?
There you go.
Okay, 360 now, that's your bond. That's in his name, right, Heather?
Let me double check that, Judge.
Your Honor, he could pay the 230 by tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, it is,
Look-
Judge.
Okay, so you can pay that by the 9th tomorrow, okay?
Yeah,
So-
he can do that online, correct?
Yes, and he's gonna meet with probation just to set up a court work program. Best of luck. Keep
Thank you,
doing
Judge.
what you're doing. Thank you,
I
Mr.
appreciate
Bogart.
it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, you have a good day, and to you and your staff. and
You
Happy
too.
New Year, Judge.
Same to you. Drew Richard Dupre, 25F 245129A, B and C. Your name? Good morning to you. Your name?
Judy Burke.
You're charged with resist, hinder, and obstruct an officer, speeding and defective equipment. You have the right. You're not charged. Yes. I see, defective equipment. Yes. 3 charges, 2 civil infractions. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. You want a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Why am I on there twice? Okay, you go out in the hallway. We're going to set you up with a lawyer. Either way, you're coming back in front of me, okay?
Thank you, Your
Good luck to you. All right. Dylan Marzicki, Dylan Jeffrey Marzicki, 25R511, I'm sorry, 514428. Good morning, Mr. Fakaj. How are you?
Good, Judge. How are you? Happy New Year. Good to see you.
Same to you. Your appearance?
Yes, Roman Fitzai on behalf of Dylan Marlicki.
All right, so you're authorized to enter this plea. It's going to be a plea to impeding traffic, the speeding to be dismissed, true?
That's correct.
To that charge of impeding traffic, do you plead responsible on his behalf or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right. Yeah, he needs to slow down a little though, right? 175, I'll accept the plea. I'll give him a week, okay? So he has until the, let's see, the 15th, is it? Yep. Pay by January 15th.
All right, he will do so.
And he can go right on, 33court.com, and there's no fee if he's paying that all at the same time, okay?
Very good. All right, Judge.
Happy New
Thank
Year
you.
to you, counsel. Good
Take
luck.
care. Good
Thanks.
seeing you.
Tukari Sierra Moore, 25R 514404. And can I have Graham up here? Kira Graham, seated at the table, my right, your left. Ms. Moore, come on up to the podium and tell me your name, please. Okay, you're charged with reckless driving. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. Do you want a lawyer? I'll arraign you and I'll explain the possible penalties and then I'll send you to the prosecutor if that's what you want, okay? On November 27 of 25, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle on Huron River Drive near Hazel in Rockwood with recklessly. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail. Costs of all of those 6 points and your license would be suspended. There'd be a hard suspension by the Secretary of State. For some reason, I can't remember if it's 90 or 120 days. Assume the worst. Do you understand that? All right. Did you sign the advice of rights? Did you read and understand the rights? If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? Okay. And you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
No.
I'll enter a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond. Do you work, ma'am?
I currently start work next week on Friday
Where?
at the Open Station.
All right, I'll go ahead and appoint you a lawyer for this, John. She's gonna need a lawyer too. And you go out in the hallway, tell the lawyer defendant was arraigned and defense attorney to pre-trial, okay? Good luck, ma'am. Either way, you're coming back in front of me. Kira Ann Graham. 25F245277. 25T644716. B 24T644312. 24F242667. Your name?
Kara Graham.
Boy, ma'am, you gotta show up in court. You know that?
I know.
Cannot do this. You've missed and missed and missed. All right, you posted a bond of 282 on 716B and 213 on 644312. Would that cover both of those, Heather?
And which ones were those on, Judge? I'm sorry.
That's okay. So we have 252 on file 25T644716B. Would that cover that case?
362 is the balance on that.
Okay. You, in 213, will that cover the balance on the set 24T644312?
That is 248 balance on that one.
Will 309 cover the balance on 25T644716A? No, that's
344 is that balance.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'll give you a lawyer if you want. You posted the bond. I'll waive the balances on those 4 cases, okay? You got a 405 owed that you posted a bond on 24F242667. So I can get rid of those 4 cases if you want it. I'll send you to the Flat Rock prosecutor, or I'll give you a lawyer on the other drivewall suspend. It's up to you.
I'm not sure which to do.
It's up to you. If you want a lawyer, I'll be glad to give you one. If you don't, I'm gonna go ahead and arraign you. That is, explain the charge, the possible penalties and your rights on the new suspend,
Okay.
and then I'd send you to the prosecutor to talk.
What's supposed to be?
So on December 7 of 25, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne, with a suspended license on Telegraph near Leonard at 2:33 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, 93 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that? And did you sign, read, and understand, John? I need those. I'm sorry. No, I got it. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer? Not guilty, please enter. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Now, I can get rid of these other ones right now for you. Mr. Kaylee, can you remember, are you out there?
He's in a breakout room, Judge. You want me to bring him out?
No, just. Yeah, would you please, and put him in front of me real quick? I just want to
Yeah.
explain. Ms. Graham, I hope you're gonna learn a lesson today.
Absolutely.
Well, what are you doing? I mean, come on, hold it,
Too old for this.
hold it.
I'll be 40 this year.
Why would you do this to yourself? I don't understand. You're gonna still have to pay any clearance fees involved. I want to be clear.
I was gonna ask, how do I take care of getting it cleared through the?
You're gonna have to pay a $45 clearance fee, I believe, just on, correct me, 1 case, because I'm gonna waive any balances on the rest of these.
Thank you so much.
Heather, okay?
He should be coming in here in a minute, Judge. There he is.
Here's the legal chess move. Multiple missed court dates, stacked cases, and unpaid balances, yet the judge offers a reset. Bonds posted, fees waived, 4 cases sidelined, 1 charge moving forward. Mercy meets accountability. This is discretion in action. Would you gamble without a lawyer here or take the help immediately?
Mr. Cayley, good morning. Your name? Happy New Year to you. Listen, I've got 5 cases here. She posted bonds on 4 of them. I'm gonna waive the extra warrant fee. She's gonna have to pay 1 clearance fee, but she has 1 new suspend charge. She's waived her right to a lawyer. I'm sending you this one. I'm gonna keep the other 4. She's gonna end up having to pay those. She's been absconding for a while here. These were from August of 24.
So the other 4 have been adjudicated?
Correct. She's posted bonds.
Okay.
And she might be $35 short on this one and that one, but I'm gonna waive those. So I'm just gonna give you the 1 Flat Rock case, but I wanted you to be aware if you want to cut her a bigger break. John, can you hand it to him? That I'm gonna keep these other 4, and she's paid about somewhere in the neighborhood of $213, $482. So that's $495, $795, $804, $1204, $1209. She's paid on these other 4.
That's clear for driver's license?
Yes. Well, I don't know. I didn't look close enough.
Okay.
She's gonna have to pay 1 clearance fee. I'm gonna make her pay on the 1 no proof insurance. You can, I'll just have them give you all of those. Just send them all back. Okay? I just wanted you to be aware of what was going on. You go with him. I mean, I don't know if he can get you in now, but
Okay.
Just have a seat in the hallway.
Okay.
Heather, I don't know. Where do we get these advice or rights? Do you think we can have somebody staple those?
Yeah, it's me. I'm not.
All
I'm
right,
trying. I'm doing my best.
fine, fine. Daniel Joseph Conway, 25F245159A. Which one do you have there, Mr. I don't have your file in B. So if you want to go scrounge it up, I'll call you, Mr. Osmond. I don't have it. Which one?
Who's in Audrey?
Your name, sir?
Daniel Joseph Conlon.
You're charged with driving on a suspended. You're also charged with false information. You have the right to an attorney. If you would like an attorney, I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense right now. Would you like a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna take you, you go sit out in the hallway. Mr. Cayley, I'm gonna send in this Conway case, and that will be with Flat Rock, but he wants an attorney. I know. He wants an attorney, so we'll give him an attorney. I don't know if maybe you can help expedite that, Roger. He's running around here.
No, chicken with heck.
What's that?
Judge, you should have Mr. Osmond's file.
I know, they just put it up. Audrey Ann Cousineau, 25F245225. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeff Osmond on behalf of Audrey, please know.
Ma'am, your name?
Audrey Cruzno.
She's charged with operating while intoxicated. What do you have here? I mean, first of all, does she stand mute, wait for me?
Wait for reading for rank purposes, no need to plead with court.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea, and now she's going to plead guilty to operating while impaired with the OWI to be dismissed, correct? Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 300 fine, I'm sorry, up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all of those. 4 points would be added to your traffic record, and your license would be suspended or revoked in accordance with your traffic record. You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions before we go on?
No.
To the charge operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on November 23 of 25 at 1:55 in the morning on Telegraph near Eastern River Drive in Flat Rock?
Yes.
Did you consume alcohol at that time? And if so, what did you consume and how much?
Yes, I got a blood test. It was 0.15.
0.159?
Yeah.
And do you stipulate that that was an accurate reading for purposes of the plea?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
How much did you drink that night, ma'am?
I had 5 drinks that night.
What kind of drinks?
2 seltzers, a mixed drink, and 2 beers.
Why were you pulled over by the police?
I was in an improper lane.
What do you mean by that?
I was in the straight lane instead of the left turn.
She made a left turn from the wrong lane.
I see. Anybody force you to plead guilty here?
No.
You still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna accept your guilty plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. That plea is accepted. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the OWI. I'm going to give you a personal bond of $1,000. I do want you going to AANA at least one time a week. She's 21, right?
Yes,
Okay, so you're young to be here and that concerns me, right? You have twice the legal limit. So I'm going to go ahead in order that you not leave the state without the consent of the court, that you cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed AANA once a week. He's going to hand you a form. No marijuana, no alcohol, no illegal drugs. Do you understand all that?
yes, I understand.
All right. And also no contact with prosecution witnesses. We'll give you a copy of this bond sheet. We'll give you a copy of your notice, and then you're going over to be screened and assessed. You have a date for me, Heather?
Yes, February 5th at 9:15.
With you?
This moment hits hard. A young defendant admits a .159 BAC, 5 drinks, wrong lane, late night driving. No excuses, no deflection. The judge doesn't yell. That's scarier. Twice the legal limit at 21 means strict bonds, NA meetings, and zero tolerance ahead. Pressure replaces panic, and reality finally sinks in.
February 5th at 9. Judge, I'm gonna be gone February 5th through the 8th.
Good for you. All right, let's, I don't really even need to do this on a flat rock. There was no accident, right?
No, there's nothing.
I don't need to do this even on a flat rock day, Heather. We could do this on a Monday if you want, the following week, but he's not available on the 5th. If you want to do it on
What were the dates that he's out of town?
5th through the 8th.
Right.
February.
Do you want to do the 4th? Does that work?
That would work.
Okay, we'll do the 4th.
Let me
Yeah.
take a look at a time for the 4th real quick here.
He's retained. How about we try 8:30? Is that good?
We could do
That's fine.
8:30 if he's
Perfect.
available. Okay.
8:30. Okay, good luck. Be careful.
I will.
Okay, thank you.
Under probation.
Yes. Yes, and she can first go down and get her notice and then back over to probation. And they'll give her a condition of the bond sheet too.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Good luck.
Thank you.
People against. Caleb Holly, 25R 514-447.
No,
Good morning, sir. Your name?
no.
Okay, just keep your voice up nice and loud. You are going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea of responsibility to that charge. I'm gonna set fines and costs in the amount of $150, okay? You can go down the hall and pay that and you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Jacob Martin, file 25R5-14450. Good morning.
Yeah.
Your name?
Jacob Martin?
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to this? Plea is accepted. 150 is your total. You can go down the hall. Hang on one second, please. Oh, no, I can't charge just 150. You've got some entries here. $175, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can go down the hall and pay that and you're all set. Good luck.
Thank
Happy New Year.
you.
How you doing, Mr. Gailey?
Well,
Good.
this is curious.
Oh, okay, okay. Come on up here, ma'am. People against Kira Graham. Kira Ann Graham, 25F-245-277. All right, how are you?
Good.
Your name?
Kara Graham.
You met with the prosecutor. You're going to plead guilty, this says, to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, right?
Correct.
That's 0 points. It won't go on your record. If you plead to that, I'm going to dismiss the suspend charge. The possible penalties on this are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here
Yes, I
today?
do.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand me?
Yes, I do.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes.
The charge allowing unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you in control of a motor vehicle that was being operated on Telegraph near Leonard and Flat Rock, December 7 of 25?
Yes.
And were you operating that vehicle? And your license was suspended at the time, and you knew that. Is that true? It's still suspended, right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Yes.
Please accept it to that charge. I'll sentence you, and I'm dismissing the suspend pursuant to the agreement. Give me 1 second, okay? Where do you work at?
I work at a place called Flex Services. I do clerical work for a small business.
This is a third-party poster. Who's the third-party poster?
My mother.
Is your mother here?
No.
She gonna let you apply the bond?
Yes.
You better call there. Go down the hall,
Okay.
get your phone.
I have it.
Okay, just go right out in the hall, call your mom, and I'm gonna have her call you, Heather, right? Or should I have her call the cashier?
Cashier, her extension is 212.
So listen, it's 734. Here, I'm gonna write it down for you.
Thank you.
Now comes the deal-making endgame. Plead to allowing an unlicensed driver. Get the suspended charge dismissed, 0 points, but bond money belongs to mom. The court pauses everything until she authorizes it. Justice slows down for phone calls, paperwork, and permission. This isn't TV drama. This is how freedom actually gets finalized.
Here, Sadie, can you make that to her, please? You come on up there and get that.
Thank you.
And then if she can call, then they'll tell me, then I'll send you on this, okay? Fair enough?
Yes.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
People against. Ramirez Vasquez. 25F 10140. I'm not sure what green, see,
You shouldn't be translated.
okay. Can I see the docket a second? Can you hand me a copy of the docket? Okay, John, come here 1 second, please. Let me pull his name up. See, Heather, can I ask a question?
Yes, Judge.
This Ramirez Vasquez, he needs a Spanish interpreter. It's just here for a review hearing. The problem is it's impossible for us to tell when somebody puts it down as a show cause. This is not a show cause today. I've never paid attention before, frankly, but shouldn't it be down as a review hearing or something? Because then at least my court officer is going to know to give it to the prosecutor. And then the defendant's not going to have wait in court and have me tell him it has to go to the prosecutor.
Yes,
I'm
let
going
me
to talk to you about that later. But Mr. Cayley, it's just you. He doesn't speak English.
Does it say he's compliant?
They just wrote balance 0 because I didn't order anything else. I want to convey. I hate to bring in an interpreter just to convey to him I'm dismissing the case. Is there a way we can do that? Anyway, don't we have that little translator with advice of rights, or is it just with advice of rights?
as far as in
I don't know how to
Spanish.
tell the guy I want to dismiss
Yeah.
his case. I don't want to have to
I
hire an
mean, I ha-
interpreter.
We up here just use Google Translate on our phone when we speak to them in Spanish. I have it on my phone. I don't know if anyone in the courtroom has it on their phone.
We're gonna have to figure that out. Jeez. You got any ideas? I'm gonna dismiss your case. You
Judge,
can
you want me
go.
to come down real quick with my phone? Or do you want to send him down here and I can
No,
tell him on
I'll
my
send
phone?
him down. Can you understand it all? No, you
Do
can't.
you want me to
Can
run down real quick, Judge?
you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come down with my
He's
phone
down.
real quick. Okay, I'll come down.
So you're moving to dismiss, right? He
Yes.
paid his money. He's done everything else. So dismiss motion of the prosecutor. Wait 1 second.
Un momento, señor.
Yeah, just.
Nice.
Hello.
That's better than I can. I can do Ola K Tal. That's all I remember from high school.
Can't go try to settle that.
Sure. We're on YouTube.
Oh,
You gonna go off?
Yeah.
The ending flips tone completely. A non-English speaker, total compliance, money paid, case dismissed. The court scrambles for translation just to deliver good news, even joking about Google Translate before realizing they're live on YouTube. Quiet fairness wins here. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories.